Baba Sibanda.
Ngiyakubingelela babonkala nebandla lonke uDlodlo noSigabade. Ngiyabonga nami ukuthi ngixosi ukuthi ngibe lapha mina ngingu-Blessed Sibanda. Ngizalwa phansi eKheze esigabeni lokuthiwa kuseMarino. Ngiphethwe induna ungwemnyama yakofuyana yakomagwegwe kumaphisi. Ngiyajabula ukuthi nami ngithole leli thuba lokuthi nami ngiphatheke kule ngxoxo. Mina ke ngingamelanga inhlanganiso mina nami ngingathi ngi-social commentator nami ngikhuluma ngengikubonayo ngengihlangana nakho empilweni. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mdawini. Baba Sibanda, ngingazi noma kukhona ongabe ufisa ukuthi nawe ukusho phezulu ozokushiyo nguSigabade nangilokhu uzena uMpangazini.
Anginawo amaningi babonkala ngingasuka ngikhulume kakhulu ngizasuka ngiyona. Kodwa ngiyathanda kakhulu ukuphawula kukaDlodlo, mbiye ngithande kakhulu futhi ukuphawula kaSigabade. Siyafunda khona engikufundileyo ikakhulu ngehistory yenast and ukumuva kwama-industries esesuka koBulawayo esiHarare after sebefundile ukuthi kwenzakalani kunenge esengikufundile kwampani. Bengizathanda ukuthi mhlawumbe uDlodlo ngokuya phambili ngiyezwe ukuthi sebeke bahlangana yini mhlawumbe ne-government nama-officials e-government eSouth Africa njengoloyiko ngoba bayilethile bayi-amplifyile indaba yegukurahundi ekade ingakhulunywa kangako ibilokhu ikhulunywa emakhoneni. Bayazi cishe wonke umuntu oseparliament bayazi kodwa abafuni ukuyikhuluma. Ngeke ngathi ngisahlala eCape Town benginokuya e-research council laphana i-material eningi yatholakala ngendaba zegukurahundi. So ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi bake bahlangana nabo yini mhlambe kuma-government officials and what was their response and what is the response of the people that were maybe that they came across abake baba seZimbabwe or eRhodesia bahlangana neZAPU beyi-ANC bewumkhonto. Bona bafila njani ngalento le and ngale situation esesikuyo manje ukuthi sidudulwa ngale size ngapha sidudulwe ngapha kuthiwe sibuyele ngale. Ngoba ungabheka abantu beMashonaland when it suits them we are not Zimbabweans or asobantu bendawo, and when it suits them we are all Zimbabweans mase siphandle kwamazwe. Ngiyabonga.
Mpangazitha na kumbuzo.
Okay, mangibonge lapho uvodloza ngalombuzo. Okay, so we have met with quite a number, and we've attempted to meet with some, but you see, you know, the issue gukurahundi, it's a very touchy issue. The diplomatic ties that SA now has with Zim, as well as the continuous plundering of the resources of Zim by South African top politicians who have got mines, and they are receiving a lot of riches, plundering a lot of riches out of Matabeleland and out of Zim as a whole. That kind of a relationship that they have, not so many are willing to come out and speak openly about the issue of gukurahundi. But I would like to tell you that we met with high officials from army generals to Mkhonto Wesizwe cadres and some politicians who said to us when we were speaking about the issue, because we first received bribes. We offered, not received, we offered bribes to be silent about the issue of gukurahundi. When we refused the bribes, we then got threats on our lives that we should keep quiet. But we refused to do that. We continued speaking about it, because when we were speaking about it, it was not as popular as it is. It was kind of like taboo. Even our own families were afraid when we spoke about the matter. So I can tell you now that we met with some top officials that came to us and told us, speak as loud as you can, no one will touch you. That's what we're told. So we're given free rein to speak. That's why wherever we went, whether it was on television, whether it was on radio, we were not afraid to call Mugabe and his cronies murderers and rapists and arsonists. We're not afraid to do so because we're given free rein to speak on the matter. But many were not willing to be publicly associated with us. That has been our connection with top officials, and as I said, that some are silent now, not because they don't know what happened, but it is because they are receiving huge amounts of money out of the diamonds, out of the gold that they are plundering in Matabeleland and in Zimbabwe as a whole. So we believe also. And another thing, the question that what are their feelings about those that met with the Zipra and they were in Zim and they lived in Zim. When we were, I don't know, maybe some of you were at the march that we had and on the Human Rights Day. The Mkhonto Wesizwe representatives that were there, they told us, but no, we know we're fighting together. Now we are just waiting for you to give us a command so that we can go back to the bush. Basically, that's what they're saying. They were calling for him. But we know now not so many people have got, I mean, people have got power, but now people can say stuff and not back it up with action. So so yeah, many people feel that we have been done wrong, but some, they don't have the power to change anything. Even the fact that some know that their brothers are still in mine shafts, they can't touch that issue because it's in terms of diplomatic ties with Zim, they can't address that issue, the issue of gukurahundi. They can't address it because once they begin to address it, it has to come out that some of the people that are not here, that did not come from exile, are still in mine shafts. So it's a very, I mean, there are people who participated in the genocide, but then there are people who perpetuate the effects of the genocide, and some of the top politicians are now perpetuating the marginalization and the subjugation of the people of Matebeleland. And that's why they can't openly speak about the subject. But those that we've met with, they said, speak as loud as you can. No one will do anything to you.
Baba Spanda, angize kuwe ukuthi umbono wakho nge-Operation Dudula yabo Nhlanhla Lux uthini?
Ithanda ukuba nzima kodwa ngizayibeka kanje. Njengoba abafowethu bake bathinta ngodaba lwegukurahundi, sonabantu bakithi abaningi ababaleke umbuso wezanu ngama-80s bebuye eSouth Africa. Abanye bakhona bahlale nabantu beSouth Africa from 82, 83. Kuze kube manje abanye lokho bengazi ukuthi abasezimo, abanye bayaziwa indlela abaziphethe ngayo emphakathini iyenza nabantu balapha noma bemcabangela ukuthi lo muntu engabe buya ngaphandle, bamhloniphe, bamphathe njengomuntu wasemphakathini, like a valuable community member, ukuthi umuntu noma enenkinga uyakwazi ukuthi aye kuye. Ngikhuluma abantu ababuye ngama-80s nabanye abachiyayo nje ilizwe besiza ngapha bezofuna umsebenzi up to 90s and early 2000s. Besinabantu kade behlonipha kakhulu. Le minyaka le ka-2000, ngathi 2006 sokusiza ngapha, kusho kwabuya abantu abaningi kakhulu abangakwazi ngesikhala ngasithi ukuzilawula, abafuna ukuthi bamisane nabantu pound for pound, okuyinto esigcine isidala ukuthi bekuvele ukhona ukuthi kuthiwa kunamakhala nge-South Africa. abantu be-Johannesburg eCentral namazulu besithi uma bebona umuntu obuya ngale bethi ikhalanga kodwa abantu basesikhalangeni ngithi abantu basezimbe benendlela abaziphethe ngakhona okubenza noma bengathi bayanyonkoloza behlokozwa bebeziphatha ngendlela ukuthi labana abantu abakwazi ukuthi babalwise baba-athaka ngenkulumo babachiye benjalo. Abanawethu ababuye manje emuva babuye badala uqhekeko phakathi kwethu nabantu base-South Africa. Asisakwazi ukuphilisana nabantu base-South Africa. Yikho namhlanje ibizo elithi mawungathi ubuye eZimbabwe sebebona isigebengu. Just assuming ukuthi ubuye eZimbabwe sebebona isigebengu. Nalento yokuthi abantu put South Africa first, i-Patriotic Alliance eka-Gaton Mackenzie, i-Action SA eka-Mashaba kube sokusiza uDudula lo oqale manje. Bonke mabebheka umuntu weZimbabwe babona umuntu okade esebenzisa i-permit and i-permit isiphelile so illegal immigrant after December 2022. Into embi yena le ukuthi you just assume ukuthi everyone akana permit, everyone akana passport, everyone akana lungelo lokusebenza lapha eSouth Africa, therefore everyone must go. So mina umbono wami ngeDudula, uDudula into ongamelanga sibe nayo kuma societies ayisidingi kuma communities esiphila kuwo kasidingi ibandla elifanele kaMashaba kasilidingi ibandla elifana nabo Gaton Mackenzie abathi mina ngifuna ukukhipha ama foreigners mina ngifuna ukwenzana asilidingi. Gaton Mackenzie is coming from a community lapho okunama gangsters, okune drug abuse, okune prostitution and all those kind of things kuma colored communities. He's failing to deal with that and he's targeting ama foreigners, and you find leaky number of Zimbabweans being in the drug territory lapha khona gangsterism, but he wants to get rid of these people. Why? So I would say mhlawumbe siphuzile ukuyinanzelela ngabe saphangisa ngabe ama community leaders akithi afana nabo Mabhena bazama ukuhlangana nama community leaders awe South Africa bazwisisana ukuthi inkinga ingaphi, mhlawumbe bekuzaba nesixazululo, mhlawumbe laba mabe sithi khuzana abantwabenu, mhlawumbe abantwabethu makuthi bayakhokheleka bekhokhelwe bebezo understand nabo ukuthi hayi lapha sisezweni labanikazi asiziphatheni ngalendlela. Kodwa ke inhlanganiso efana neDudula angicabanga ukuthi iyadingakala emhlabeni. Sabona igazi echitheka ngo-2008 ngezenophobia, sibone igazi echitheka 2015 ngezenophobia, and day and night. I mean emalokishini uDlodlo uzongifakazela afana nabo Cape Town, umuntu mayebuya ngaphandle abafana bayamtargeta bethi ligweja ubuya ngaphandle, so you prone to like anytime kungenzakala noma yini. Abafana bahijack abahamba ngezimota ngoba ebuya ngaphandle, abafana bayadutshulwa. Just last month umnawami osahlala eCape Town eSeklini abahlala khona emafletini, 3 guys died betargetwa one by one, berojwa bengenelwe ezindlini besenzani. So kusuka kube nzima khona ukuthi nathi siphile kanjani manje.
Yeah, hayi kuyezwakala ba, siyabonga kakhulu. Mnumzana Sibanda uthi masibheka ikusasa labantu nange Operation Dudula ubone nganithwa kuzohamba njani ba, njalo abantu bakithi kumele kwenziweni?
Mina ngokubona kwami njengoba abafowethu betshilo iDudula leyi ayisoze ime. Ngeke ngabona izolo unhlanhla uzamile ukuthi bayefika kwenye indawo lapho kwafela khona abanye abafowethu ababe ngama-security, kunabanye abafowethu ababe ngama-security ababegada kwenye indawo ngaseSoweto badutshula izigebengu ezazitshontsha intambo zamagesi. So utshuthi umphakathi uziqoqile neDudula bazama ukuthi baye lapha, kwagcina sokuliwa laphana, kwagcina kudubuleka abanye abantu abeDudula. I think oyedwa wabushonile, mhlawumbe ababili abathathu balimala. So uyabona ukuthi amanye ama-communities ngathi ezinye igebengu ziyazama ukuthi ziresiste, kodwa ke ngibona ukuthi kuyagcina sokulimala abantu ngendaba kaDudula le, ngoba abantu bagcina sebeqalisa ukuba naleya nto yokuthi manje nathi siyabisela, nathi and then abantu begcine belimala okungangokuthi iDudula ngapha kwelinye ihlangothi yabisekelwa ngama-minister afana nabomtswaledu minister home affairs ovele ongafuna ukubona nje umuntu okuthiwa ubuya ngaphandle ongasuwe South Africa. Uyabona lapha ahamba khona uzama ukuthi ngazo zonke indlela ukuthi ngivala lapha namanye ama-channel amancane ade nathi sama ukuthi simanyuve singene khona uyavala. So ngibona nje into izasihlukumeza thina njengabantu abantu bangaphandle ukuthi izasihlukumeza izasiphilisa nzima okwesikhathi esithize. Namanye ama-organization angama-political party bazazama ukuthi bayi-amplify nabo. Kwi-ANC yona ngokwayo eyiye ibandla eliphetheyo ligoqa izandla itsho lutho i-ANC ithule zwi ngathi akwenzakali lutho. Bakhulume manje sokutshone unyathi kodwa-ke nakho ngeke sithi bakhulumile baphonga ukudlulisa nje ilizwi. Angizange ngiyibone i-ANC siyavela mina emfeni kanyathi bavele bamela kude ukuthi ukuthi lento le eyenzakalayo bona ngamanye amagama bayisupporta noma bengayisupport kodwa mabesime eceleni njengohulumeni bayisupporta ngendlela engibona ngakhona mina.
Manje uthi abantu bakithi benzeni esimweni esinje?
Ikhona enye into esenginanzelele ngabantu bakithi ikakhulu abantu bakomthwakazi njengoba usigabade sithi sibeke icaca ukuthi abantu bakomthwakazi. Abantu bakithi eSouth Africa sesibuye sangena impi engaqondananga nathi. Ungananzelela abantu beMashonaland vele kusukela ngama-80s 90s kuze kube namanje bane-rival nabantu beSouth Africa bona. Into enobu South Africa bavele kabayikhwabithe. Emidlalweni ebaculini kuyo yonke into bevele bengayikhwabithi. Manje nabantu bakithi sesibuye sathenga leso sikelemu nathi sesisekela sesima nabantu baseZimbabwe. Sesingabantu umuntu ekhuluma ngomuntu weZimbabwe sesiphatheka kabi. Umuntu akakhomenta ukuthi kunesigebengu esinje esibanjiwe endaweni enje uthi uyakhangela isibongo salwana umuntu waseMrambinda lapho ngazi khona. Abantu beSouth Africa babecomplaina besithi abantu beZimbabwe labo bantu bayenzani thina ethe sesiphatheka kabi thina abantu abavele sihlukunyezwa ngalo sesizoma nalabantu sizintandane kwelethu ilizwe kwethu umhlaba esawushela ngokhokho bethu. Laba abantu bayasidudula sizowela la sesifima nabo nxa sidudula sonke lapha sibuyela ngale bona banelizwe labo. Unini uzabaphakela thina siyophakelwa ngubani? So mina into ebengiyifisa kakhulu ebantwini bakithi ukuthi asizibuze nini ukuthi singobani, sifike nini, sifika njani lapho. UDudula ngeke simlwise pound for pound sithi hayi thina iDudula sayimisa kodwa thina kasibe nefocus yokuthi thina sifike ngani, silwa yiphi impi asilwi yiphi impi. Thina impi esilwa kakhulu singabantu abakithi abakomthwakazi njengamanje ukuthi siqonda nalokho esakulandayo. Ilizwe leli noma nje selisihlukumeze kwamanje lisinikeze idignity singabantu bakomthwakazi. Ngale sinyonkolozwa, ngale sixotsha, ngale kuthiwa singamavila, ngale kuthiwa sifundanga. Mase sifika lapha abantu bakithi bathole ama-opportunities ukuthi bazithuthukise bafundise abantwana, bakhe imizi, bakhe izindlu, bakhe ama-companies. Kodwa nxa sesima nabantu bangale abavele banganalutho eSouth Africa sizabuyela ekhaya singanalutho. So abantu bakithi kuyayenza abantu ama-community leaders aqoqa abantu ngesigodini, ngobubi, ngomzingwane, ngePlumtree, ngeKhezi, ngeTsholotsho, ngeLupane, abantu babe nendlela yokuthi siyanjani phambili singanyonkolozi bantu kodwa sisiya phambili sezingathi asibone kuze lento izasiveza ukuthi yakhe mawukuthi yasidudula izasidudula kodwa ngeke siphanike okwamanje sithi thina umnyaka mawuphela siyahamba siyaphi thina sinalutho.
Hayi kuyezwakala ndawini abasibanda amazwi akho okugcina nje ngeminute.
Yebo baba uNkala ngiyabonga. Mina izwi lami lokugcina bengizathi ebantwini bakithi siyazi ukubuhlungu okusivelele ngonyathi kubuhlungu kakhulu, imo isaphakamile, abantu basaphosana ngenkulumo. Ngiyabona abanye baya celebrate lapha ukuthi eKwaZulu Natal kube nomonakalo sebeqalisa ukube belokhu begolomba ngapha nangapha. Mina bengizathi ebantwini bakithi kakhulu asiseni imimoya sihlanganise namakhanda sibone ukuthi le ndaba sixazulula njani. Akunamuntu ozadudulwa ukuthi idudula izabilo igijima ingale nangale kodwa ke bakhona abangagcina mhlambe sebelimele phakathi kwalokho kodwa ke asehliseni imimoya sibone nini ukuthi iqhubeka kanjani. Nathi siziphatheni ngendlela ebesivele siziphethe ngayo, siziphatheni kahle. Singafuni ukuthi sondele kwezinye izinto ezingaqondananga nathi. Ngokunjalo ke kuzabonakala ngokuya kwesikhathi kodwa ama leaders ethu from ama traditional leaders nama political nama activists bazama ukuthi mhlawumbe kungaba nendlela ukuthi ba engage kanjani kakhulu nohulumeni, ngoba uhulumeni ngathi kulento yonke le yena umile ulinde khona ukuthi masokuvela indaba efana kanyathi bese kangenela o bese tuya engage ama communities kodwa asibone into ephumayo khona lapho. Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Votlosa. Baba